It's a beautiful day on the farm today, late November. You can't ask for a prettier day. Warming up. It's Thanksgiving week. Parker, what are you doing?
Playing in the sand.
Eric's filling up the Bobcat. We're going to try to get some chicken litter hauled. We've got our other spreader truck. We still haven't fixed the one that broke. We did a video on here a little while back. Eric's going to haul some chicken litter, go put it on one of our rented pastures. We've got us some ryegrass. He'll be loading it up in the chicken litter, spreading it. We got some rain coming in, I think Friday, in 2 days. So we'll try to get some pastures fertilized, ryegrass out, and hopefully we can have some ryegrass coming up. Whoa, be careful. We got a few other things to do around the farm. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving Day, and when you know, chickens are coming back tomorrow morning. Well, at least down at my farm. Eric's already gotten his in, so we'll be starting out our Thanksgiving Day by dumping chickens and then hopefully spending the rest of the day with family, mixed in with a little bit of work. So it's gonna be a busy day, but we're looking forward to it. It's supposed to be pretty here in Alabama. Don't hurt him. Hey, is that sweatshirt my size? What? What? Let me see if it'll fit me. Come on, let me see if it'll fit me. Let me take that thing off. Let me take that off. Let me take that. Let me get it. What are you playing in?
Dirt and sand.
Throw a few more buckets of litter on top of that. You ready to go? Get ready to feed some cows? Just hop in the truck. We got to go. We're gonna go swap up, put our gooseneck on our other truck. We're gonna go feed cows. We'll have to put your booster seat in the other truck. All right. We're headed off to some of our rented pastures. Going to give the cows a little Thanksgiving feast early. Ready, Parker?
Yes.
What are you drinking on? Is that for me?
No.
Give me some of that. Alright. We're going to go feed, and we may see Eric. He's out spreading some litter still. You seen him go by in the spreader truck? We've made a few stops already, but we are at our last stop. We got to put out a couple bales of hay, a couple dry bales that are in the old chicken house. You go ride with me, Parker?
Yay! Rock and roll, dude!
He's on another level today. Well, we got the cows fed. Didn't realize how much work was involved bringing a 5-year-old and feeding. So we've had we've fed 4 different pastures. It's a lot of on and off the tractor, opening gates, cutting net wrap. but I'm looking forward to about a year or two when this one right here can be my gate man. You gonna be my gate man? All right. We're gonna go check on Eric spreading chicken litter. But I got a text from him a few minutes ago that said PTO valve went out on the spreader truck. So that shut him down, so add another spreader truck to our repair list.
No means no.
No means no. Are you gonna help us fix that spreader truck?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Wait, no, sir.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
All right, hold tight while I shut the gates. Got a few things to do back at the farm. Chickens are coming at 7 a.m. Thursday morning, Thanksgiving morning. By the time y'all see this video, that will probably have passed. So, got a few things to do to finish up. The heat's already lit. We're gonna get chickens dumped in the morning, go through Eric's chicken houses, pick up his. He got his yesterday. And then we'll hopefully be spending some time with some family.
Dad, isn't there one thing you're forgetting?
What am I forgetting?
You said I was going to be your gate man.
I know when you get a little bit older, you're going to be my gate man.
Why?
Well, you're not old enough to get out and get the gate yet.
Yes, I am.
Okay. We'll try it next time.
Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. We hope you have a great day. Thank you to all of our military, first responders, everybody who works so hard to keep us safe so we can enjoy days like today. We're going to spend our morning working, but we're going to spend our afternoon gathering with family and enjoying the time together. Hope everyone's enjoyed our video. We're going to leave you with a Bible verse for today, 1 Chronicles 29:13. Y'all go check it out. Happy Thanksgiving, and thank y'all for watching. Well, the GoPro just got run over, but I think it's still good to go. Is it still good to go, Parker?
Yeah.